Magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life. Good life, good person. Low life. Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Mlang Gymnasium. Okay, that's the Mlang Gymnasium. For this afternoon, I would like again to feature the small business of my once upon a time former learner, Karen Gigi Iraga, now is Piragosa. Okay, so let's invite our viewers. So this is now the hot cake. I love this one. It's hot cake, so when you eat, it should be hot, no? That's the beautiful owner, manager, everything. And the location is really accessible, nice location. It's in as much as it is near the Mlang Municipal Hall, and just here nearby with the other government agencies. We have the tennis court there. Moreover, the location is being nearby with people passing by, vehicle, tricycle. And this afternoon, the Cotelco staff is here to have their snacks. So this is it. Sir, why do you like hot cake? Give me one word. Huh? Lami. Oh, that's the Cotelco staff. And some more we will be interviewing. I saw you just this moment. You are also eating hot cake. Sir, why do you like hot cake?
Masarap.
Masarap. Oh, thank you, sir. Name please.
Toto.
Toto.
Plaga.
Plaga. Yeah. So many what's this, consumer and customer of Gigi. Let's interview now. Other food items available. You have also patel. Yes, how much is one 10. Patel? 10. So, masarap na patel, and they have candies also and biscuits. Okay. How long are you in the business of this small business, G? How many years are you on that cake? 10 years? 5 years?
97.
Yeah. So, okay. So this is the mixing bowl. Again, the mixing bowl. And this one, the hot cake molder. Right? The mixing will be done on this container. How do you call this one? Casserole?
Casserole.
Oh, casserola. What are the ingredients?
Gata, sugar.
Milk. What milk?
Milk. Sugar, brown sugar.
No more.
As a secret ingredient.
Yeah, of course the flour.
Yes, third class.
Third class and secret ingredients. Yes. I have tasted many other hot cake, but yours is a different one. So Gigi is using this cooking. How do you call this one? What's this? This is not butane.
Super kalan. Super gas.
Super gas. Gasol. Super kalan. How many minutes before it will be finally cooked? 2 minutes? Okay, in a few minutes, finally, it will be done. So you see, the cooking process is on process. Okay, we have another consumer. Yes. I think I know you. Your name is Rose.
You know me?
Yeah.
I will buy
hot cake.
Hot cake.
Oh, wow. Why you like hot cake?
It's sarap.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Okay, so sarap.
How much?
5.
No, 701. So I will count to na. 1, 2.
So So another customer,
7.
another consumer of GG has come to
Sarap, sarap.
to this location. Yeah, super sarap and affordable.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And makabusog.
Yeah, makabusog. I like your term.
Yeah.
So no more. So come now, invite the viewers of Ma'am Rindon. Come now to
Come now to beside Mlang Gym, and we will eat and buy
hot cake.
hot cake.
Yeah, that's the hot cake. Oh, ouch. Oh. Okay, this is it. Always when I have my vlog, why is it that you all just arrive? Whenever I have my vlog, just appear. Okay, that's it. So the other establishment nearby, we have the municipal hall, and over there the children's park, the tennis court on my left side. Okay, that's it. And this WD Comelec office, senior citizen office there. This is the vice mayor office also, and Sangguniang Panlungsod. Okay, so this is it. A day in the life of the vlogger. Yeah, 316. Invite now you my viewers to buy your hot cake. Come now. An 8 hot cake here in Mlang Plaza, or just here in the Mlang Gymnasium outside. How do you call this one? In front of senior building and the vice mayor's office, and of course the councilors or kagawad office here in Mlang. Okay, this is the exact location. So help me, let's patronize the small business of Cum Langileños. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive in Mlang, Cotabato. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Of course, I have also my page, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, and 2 page account, and 2 YouTube Mabuhay channel. Like, share, follow me, comment my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Help me have my views, so I can also have my monetization on this. Thank you for watching. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Signing off. Yeah, mabuhay. Wave to the camera. Is peace? Is. Yeah, those are the students. Okay, they are on duty here. Thank you for viewing. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Mabuting tao. You. Long life. Long live. Good person. Good life. Mabuhay.